Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the stability of carbocation. Stability of carbocation. Okay. So here is carbo means carbon and cations means the positive charge species. So carbocation is a positive charge species which having a 3 bonds. That is there are 6 electron in its valences. So carbocation is a electron deficient species. Okay, so we know that in SN1 reaction the rate determining step is the formation of carbocation. So for the SN1 reaction the carbocation step is very important. If the stability of carbocation increases, the percentage of SN1 reaction increases or possibility of SN1 reaction increases. So let's see what are the factors which affect the stability of carbocation. So there are two effects which affect the stability of carbocation. So first is electron donating effect. Electron donating effect. Okay, and second one is the electron withdrawing effect. Okay, again these two effects are divided into sub two types, that is inductive and resonance. These also divided into two subtypes, inductive and resonance. Okay, so electron donating effect is divided into two types, inductive electron donating effects and resonance electron donating resonance electron donating effect. Again electron withdrawing effect having two types also, inductive withdrawing effect and resonance electron withdrawing effects. Okay, so as we know that the carbocation is electron deficient and hence the effect which increases the electron density on carbocation, that effect stabilizes carbocation. Okay, so electron donating effect will stabilize carbocation more. So two effects, electron donating inductive effect and resonance electron donating effect, will stabilize carbocation more easily. Okay, so let's take example. This carbocation, suppose this group Z is attached to carbocation. If group Z is a electron donating, having electron donating effect, maybe inductive effect or resonance effect, then it is a stabilized. That is, if G releases electron, where G releases electron, that is by releasing electron it disperses charge. Okay, this positive charge get dispersed, positive charge get dispersed, that is more stable. Okay, on the other hand, if G is electron withdrawing, if G group is electron withdrawing, that is if G withdraws electron, okay, if this case happens, then it intensifies the positive charge, that is positive charge get intensify means getting more and more positive charge, and hence it is unstable, that is it become unstable. Okay, if G is electron donating effect, then this positive charge gets stabilized because it decreases the electron deficiency. On the other hand, if G is electron withdrawing effect, then this positive charge get more and more intensified, that is it becomes more and more electron deficient and becomes a unstable. Okay, and then when we know that in SN1 reaction the carbocation step is more important, and hence from these two cases, if in this case SN1 reaction is more, and in this case SN2 reaction is observed. Okay. Let's take alkyl series, example of alkyl series, where number of alkyl groups increases and stability of carbocation get increases. Let's see how it happens. Okay. First, let's take methyl group, simple methyl group. Okay, we does not have any other carbon atom attached. Okay, then let's take example primary carbocation. Okay, then let's take secondary carbocation. And at last, let's take example of tertiary carbocation. So this is a methyl carbocation. This is primary carbocation. This is secondary carbocation. And this is tertiary carbocation. Okay, this carbocation is less stable, and this carbocation is more stable. Let's see how this. Okay, so this we know that the carbocation is electron deficient species, and this if this deficiency filled by other three groups, then carbocation becomes a more stable. So here are, in this case, here are hydrogen atom. Okay, these three are hydrogen atoms which does not donate electron to the carbocation. That is, the deficiency of carbocation can't fill by these hydrogens. Okay, so it becomes a less stable. Now if one of the hydrogen replaced by the alkyl group, then there is plus I effect increases. Okay, we know that alkyl group have a plus I inductive effect, that is electron donating inductive effect. Okay, so this alkyl group exerts a plus I effect or donates a electron to this carbocation and fills its deficiency in some amount. Okay, so this carbocation is more stable than methyl carbocation because its deficiency filled by the one alkyl group. So let's replace one more hydrogen by the alkyl group. Then in this case there are two plus I effect, and hence plus I effect increases and deficiency of the carbocation getting decreases. So this carbocation's deficiency filled by the two alkyl group, that is, it becomes a more stable than the primary carbocation. If we substitute third hydrogen by the alkyl group, then in this case there are three alkyl group which exerts strong plus I effect. Okay, strong plus I effect and fill the deficiency of carbocation. Okay, so in this case there are three alkyl group increases the stability of carbocation by donating its electron by the inductive effect. So this is the trends of alkyl carbocations. So primary methyl carbocation is less stable than primary. Primary is less stable than secondary, and secondary is less stable than the tertiary carbocation. That is, tertiary carbocation is a more stable. Okay. In short, number of alkyl group increases, carbocation stability increases. That is, number of alkyl group on carbocation number of alkyl group on carbocation is directly proportional to stability of carbocation. Okay, as the number of alkyl group on carbocation increases, stability of carbocation increases. Okay, this is our conclusions. Okay, number of alkyl group increases on carbocation, stability of carbocation increases. If the number of alkyl group on carbocation decreases, then stability also decreases. This is our today's hints. Okay, now let's see how resonance effect affects the stability of carbocation. resonance effect. Okay, so as we know that there are two types of resonance effect, electron withdrawing and electron donating. And carbocation as carbocation is electron deficient, then for stability of carbocation, resonance donating effect is important. Resonance effect can stabilize carbocation through delocalization of pi electron or non-bonding electron. So for example, if this carbocation is in conjugation with double bond, okay, so this carbocation is get stabilized. Here is this is CH2 double bond CH carbocation. Okay, so this carbocation get stabilized due to the resonance effect. Okay, so here is a resonance structure CH2 plus CS carbocation. Okay, so here let's take example. Okay, in this way this carbocation get stabilized. Okay, so here is this group exerts a plus R effect, or this group exerts a plus R effect and stabilize the carbocation or stabilize this carbocation. Okay, so electron donating. So electron donating resonance effect stabilizes carbocation. Carbocation. Okay, electron donating resonance effect stabilizes the carbocation. Okay, as the number of resonance effect increases, stability of carbocation increases. Let's take example of benzylic system. Okay, let's take example of benzylic system. So benzylic system is stabilized due to the resonance effect. So for that purpose, let's compare the benzyl system with the methyl chloride. Okay, pH CH2 Cl, pH CH, pH Cl, pH Cl. Okay, so this is methyl chloride, benzyl chloride. Okay, so here are here 3 hydrogen replaced by one, and we get this compound triphenyl methyl chloride. Okay, so in this case resonance effect increases. Here is a plus R effect, 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 plus R effect. So here total 3 plus R effect, here 2 plus R effect, and here only 1 plus R effect is observed. So as the plus R effect increases, stability of carbocation increases. So this carbocation is a more stable. If we remove this chloride atom, then it is a tertiary carbocation. Okay, carbocation, and this carbocation is more stable, because it having a 3 plus R effect, So this carbocation is a secondary carbocation, or which have a 2 plus R effect. Okay, so this is less stable as compared to this one. In this case only one pH group, and this is a unstable because hydrogen cannot fill the deficiency of carbocation, so it is a less stable or unstable. Okay, so here is no plus R effect, so this is a less stable. Here is plus R effect, so stability increases. Here 2 plus R effect, so here stability increases, and in this case there are 3 plus R effect, so here is more stability of carbocation. So because this phenyl ring gives a pi electron to the carbocation and getting a more stability. Okay, so triphenyl methyl chloride is a more stable. Okay, so carbocation obtained from trimethyl chloride triphenyl methyl chloride is more stable. If we see SN1 reaction character, so here is SN2 reaction observed. Okay, because here SN1 reaction cannot be observed because here is no here carbocation form is very unstable, so carbocation does not form, and as the carbocation does not form means there is no SN1 reaction, so only SN2 reaction. Okay, so in this case the carbocation is getting stability, and stability increases, and hence here SN1 character decreases. Okay, here SN2 character decreases, and these three compounds react with the SN1 mechanism. Because here carbocation form is more stable, and SN1 if the carbocation is more stable, then the reaction goes by the SN1 mechanism. So these three are the gives the SN1 reaction mechanism, and first one is the gives a SN2 mechanism because it is unstable, it gives an unstable carbocation. So this is SN2, and all remaining three are the SN1 reaction mechanism. Okay, now let's see how hyperconjugation effect stabilizes the carbocation. Hyperconjugation effect, stability of carbocation by the hyperconjugation effect. Okay, let's take example of primary carbocation. Okay, let's take example of primary carbocation. Okay, so if we consider hyperconjugation effect, then these two electrons from this alpha bond move here and forming a double bond. So there is a Ranelagh structure. So this is a hyperconjugation is nothing but the modified electron donating resonance effect. Okay. So here is formation of double bond. This hydrogen does not move anywhere because this movement is for some time. Okay. So here are the three structure possible because it again moves here, then there is formation of carbon hydrogen bond again, and next time this bonds move here. Okay, again it comes back, then and next time these bonds move here. So in this way there are three structures possible for the primary carbocation. Okay, for the primary carbocation. Now let's take secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation. Okay, this is a secondary carbocation. Okay, this secondary carbocation can be stabilized due to hyperconjugation because here is hyperconjugate structure possible because here are the 6 alpha hydrogens. Okay, in hyperconjugation effect alpha hydrogens getting part, so here plus carbon hydrogen double bond CH3. So here are 6 structures possible in this case because in next time this comes here, this hydrogen participate, and then next time for this hydrogen participate. So there are 3 hydrogens will take part, then these 3 hydrogens also alpha hydrogens, so these also taking part in hyperconjugate structure. So in this way there are 6 structures possible. Okay, now let's see tertiary carbocation. Like above, this methyl group giving a 3 structure, this methyl group also gives a 3 structure, and this also gives a 3 structure. So there are total 9 alpha hydrogen atoms. So 9 alpha hydrogen atoms. So there are 6 structures are possible. Okay, 6 structures are possible. 9 structures are possible. And as number of structures possible, then this carbocation is a more stable. So tertiary carbocation is more stable because it having a 9 alpha hydrogen atom which stabilizes this carbocation more easily. Okay. Okay, in next lecture we will compare the SN1 mechanism and SN2 mechanism. Okay, let's stop here. Thank you.